everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been asked a lot recently how I make my mini cereal bowls, so I thought I'd show you in a quick tutorial, so I really hope you enjoy. To make the bowls I use giant marbles, so you need to roll out some white clay and cut out a circle using a cutter. Once you've done that, wrap this around one side of the marble. Then roll out a really thin piece of clay and use a tiny cutter to cut out a small circle. This will be for the base of the bowl. Once you've done that, just bake them in the oven for 10 minutes. Once the bowls are done, gently prise them off the marble. Be careful though because they'll be super hot, so use an oven glove to hold the marble part. Then once you've done that, sand the bowls lightly to get a nice even edge and try not to break them. To make the milk part, add white clay and Fimo Deco gel to make a frosting. Make it slightly more runny than a frosting so it looks a bit more like milk. So now we can make the cereal. So to make this to Fruit Loops, roll out thin snakes of the colours red, orange, yellow, green and purple. I cut them up into 6 in this video, but you can need around about 3 pieces to make 3 hoops for each bowl. Next, roll them into small balls and add texture using a toothbrush tool and poke a hole in the centre of each one, and then you'll have your hoops. Before you add them to the bowl, add some white clay to the bottom of the bowl and add a head pin if you want to make into a charm. Then add the frosting mix to the top. Then you can add your cereals to the top of this and they won't sink down. The process for the chocolate hoops is practical. So to make the cornflakes, I mixed yellow and some orange to make an orangey yellow colour. I rolled it out super thin and then added some texture using a toothbrush, and then I used the needle tool to take pieces off. So I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I can't wait to see what you've made. Tag me on Instagram at PetiteClayPatisserie or use the hashtag PetiteClayMakes, and I'll see you again soon guys. Bye!